Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 14th, 2025, and we're diving into CSP's fiscal 2025 second quarter earnings report. CSP, a leader in security and packet capture products, has just released their latest financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. CSP has been making significant strides, especially with their AZT Protect product line, and I'm excited to discuss their latest performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. CSP reported a revenue of $13.1 million for the fiscal second quarter, which is a slight decrease from last year's $13.7 million. John, can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. The decrease in revenue is primarily due to the absence of a multi-million-dollar deal that was recorded in the previous year's second quarter. Despite this, CSP managed to maintain a strong product revenue of $8.6 million, slightly up from $8.5 million last year. However, the services revenue saw a decline, contributing to the overall decrease in total revenue.
And what about profitability?
CSP reported a net loss of $0.1 million, or $0.1 per diluted share, compared to a net income of $1.6 million last year. The gross margin also decreased to 32% from 47%, reflecting the impact of the missing large deal and increased cost of sales.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. Despite the challenges, CSP has been actively expanding its market presence. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. CSP's AZT Protect product line continues to gain traction, with new customers added, including a significant engagement with a South African cell tower provider. They've also strengthened reseller relationships, which has expanded their market exposure. CSP ended the quarter with a robust cash position of $29 million, allowing them to invest in these growth opportunities.
That's impressive. How does this position them for future growth?
Their focus on reseller and distribution strategies is paying off, as it has led to an expanded pipeline of new business opportunities. This, combined with their strong cash reserves and no long-term debt, positions CSP well for future growth and market penetration.
CEO insights and future outlook. Let's discuss the insights from CSP's leadership. What did CEO Victor Dellovo have to say about the company's performance and future prospects?
Victor Dellovo expressed satisfaction with the company's performance, especially in the technology solutions-based businesses and the market penetration of AZT Protect. He highlighted the flexibility of their organization and the growth prospects of AZT Protect as key factors enabling CSP to maximize opportunities in the current environment.
And what about their future outlook?
Looking ahead, CSP is optimistic about expanding existing relationships into larger contracts over the next 18 months to 2 years. This potential for growth, coupled with their strategic initiatives, suggests a positive outlook for the company.
Key takeaways. In summary, CSP's fiscal 2025 second quarter results reflect a challenging yet promising period. Despite a slight revenue decline and a net loss, the company is strategically positioned for future growth with a strong cash position and expanding market presence. John, any final thoughts?
CSP's strategic focus on AZT Protect and strengthening reseller relationships are key drivers for their future success. Their robust balance sheet and no long-term debt provide a solid foundation for continued investment in growth opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CSP's performance in the comments below.